Welcome everybody to an unboxing video before I go on an extremely long trip all the way around the world. I was very fortunate to be able to get this stuff to take with me before I board an airplane to the Philippines. So Verizon, Samsung, thank you guys so much. I'm excited for both of these things. I will put them through the test in this around the world solo adventure. Starting off with, let's just get to it. Let's just jump right in to the Galaxy Buds Pro. Now I did make a tweet about these beans, these Samsung beans that are actually really great. This is a really great option from the past. It's a blast from the past that these things have worked really well, but the batteries started kind of fading away in the charging case. The earbuds still last quite a while, but the charger within this battery case kind of doesn't hold a charge much anymore. So I let Samsung know it, and due to that fact, I was sent these. These are their new Bud Pro 2s, or the Galaxy Bud 2 Pro. Supposedly, these are not bean shaped. They fit in your ear better and have a lot of functions that those other ones don't, including incredible noise cancellation. I'm not going to test that on this video. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing before we get to what's in the big box. So to get started, they're not like Google. If you get a Google product, like a Pixel or a Google Watch or something, they have little pull tabs, Google Home and stuff like that. Here, Samsung still makes you cut. I don't know if I don't like it as much. I don't like having to pull out this, but it does the job. Let's see if I cut it enough, and I probably didn't. Yeah, I didn't cut it enough. See what I mean? That's a razor blade. I wish all manufacturers out there with their products would just do the little peel thing. But here we go. No box fart, I'm sure. We don't have no box fart. Would you guys look at that? There's some stuff here in the lid, and I'm sure it's just user's instructions, which I'm a Bud user, so don't really need those. But the unboxing experience is amazing. Things just fall out. And so anyway, here's the charging case. It looks like you do get a micro USB cord, no charger, no brick anyway, but you do get the cable. Nice. You could always use these. As a matter of fact, since these are all wound up, this charging cable will fit nicely in my bag for the Philippines. So I'm not gonna undo that. I'll just set it off to the side. Let's just peel. Let's do some nice peeling. Wow. The difference is incredible. It's a nice smooth texture, and it's not glossy. It's like a nice rubbery finish, whereas the original ones here are quite glossy and slippery. This case is not. I know to pair these, I just flip it open with my phone, you know, open, and that's all you do. But wow, look at that, it's already charged. These are them. How nice is that? Yeah, they're not pill shaped. They actually have a tip, and I'm assuming I got extra tips. This is what's going to be weird is I'm so used to putting the beans in their case. These here have an end with a rubbery tip on them that have to go in a certain way, and it's probably going to take a few times in and out of the noggin to figure out how to put these in blindly, because I normally, you know, when I'm driving, somebody calls me, I flip open my case because I don't wear them all the time, but it's usually sitting down by my knees. I'll reach down, pick it up, flop it open while I'm driving, take one, put it in the air, take another. When I'm done, I'm driving, and I take it out without even looking and put it back in the case. So it's going to take a while to be able to do that. But yeah, I like them. I like the case. I like the way they feel. Supposedly this is a much better product nowadays. Looking forward to trying it. It also not only uses USB Type-C to charge here, but all my phones are put away over there. But you can charge wirelessly just by setting it on a wireless Qi charger or on the back of your phone, because you can charge just by flipping your phone upside down and putting your watch or these on your phone. So awesome. Doesn't look like anything else is in the box. There's I thought I could have sworn that it was supposed to come with different ear tips, but I don't see any. Oh no, there's some. They're in here with the cable. So if you don't think you got them, they're just wrapped up in the cable. All right, on to the next product. So I thought all that was coming was those Buds 2, and I already have a Z Flip 3 sitting way over there. You know what? Let me go grab it. Oh, okay, I got it. So this right now, I have a Note 20 Ultra 5G, and I also have this. This is the Z Fold Flip. Don't know if you guys can see. Got animation on the front screen there. But this phone here is amazing. This is my favorite form factor of any phone. It opens up into a full-size phone and closes to fit in your pocket nicely. I love this phone, and I hope that they continue making them. I know they got a new one, the Z Flip 4, but I don't see no reason to upgrade yet because this phone is doing just fine. But in Samsung's wisdom, I was fortunate enough to not only get these earbuds, earpod buds, they're buds, Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. If you want them, you know, hold off just a little bit. Let me give them a little bit of try. Watch my Philippines videos as they stroll along. But and I'll let you know how well they work. But this is what blows me away. This is blowing me away right here. This is the, what is it called? The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is in this box. Shocking surprise. I am definitely going to put this thing through its paces, and I should be wearing my glasses right now because there's a lot of fine print back there that talks about it, and it's just too small for my eyes to read right now. But this is USB-C. I think this is the 512 gigabyte or whatever much it is. You know what? Let's just dig into it. This was not on my radar. I stopped getting new phones after this one. My Note series phones are incredible because I could swap out the SD cards, the memory cards. So videos like this on my camera that I'm recording, I could pop the memory card out and shove it in my Note if I'm on the go on an airplane or something like that, and I can just shove it in and do some editing on my phone, so I don't have to bring my laptops or Chromebooks or anything with me. Okay, let's do this. Oh, there's no tape there. There's only tape here. And they do it with their phones, or with their phones it looks like too, because you cannot peel. Is that camera gonna catch that? See, there's no peely tape on either side here. So in the and there's nothing. There's nothing about what the phone is. I don't think. Yep, doesn't say. Oh, doesn't say what's in here or nothing. It just says Z Fold. There's no stats, no memory, none of that stuff in the box. Lid, nothing. There is a little brochure here. I'm sure there's like things we could use other than just instructions. There is. You get another USB-C cable. Awesome. That one's wrapped up nice too. Looks like we get some instructions in here, which I've seen enough YouTube videos on this thing where probably I don't need that. And I'm looking to see if there's a bonus of a SIM ejector tool. And there is. We got a SIM ejector tool, which can't really use on this phone because I'm not going to be ejecting the SIM. I would be using it for SD cards, and so I will use this for SD cards on my Note because I don't have any other phones nowadays that use SD cards. So we'll just set that over here on my other phone, and here it is. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun, all of its glory. It looks like it's a black one. Ooh, it's huge. These things are huge. Let's Let's see here. Where do you start peeling? I want to peel. Wow. Okay, so I think first you peel the side. Ooh. What is that called? ASM, whatever, you know, where people do those type of videos where it's just sound. Let's get you guys close to the mic. Okay, you're ready for the screen? Whoa. Nice. Would you look at the size of that phone? It's upside down right now. You couldn't tell because you're just looking at the front, but that is a big screen. But then you can fold it. Ooh, it's kind of stiff too. You fold it, and now it's just a regular phone. But you're done working here, or you want to watch movies or something, you go, you know what, that's just kind of tiny. Let's open it up. Would you look at that? How cool. Nice. So like I said, I want to thank Samsung, and thank you Verizon for hooking me up with this. I was really excited once I seen the tracking. Verizon, I will tell you, you messed up, because I actually don't know who sent it, if it's Verizon or Samsung, but you guys sent me a tracking number. You go, oh yeah, you love those, you know, yeah, we got new ones here. I knew these were coming because you guys told me, and then you put the tracking number on so I could track these, so I could be home to get these. And when I clicked the tracking number, it showed 2 things shipped. So I knew this was coming from the tracking number from that. You guys, if you wanted to keep things secret, you didn't do a great job. Anyway, thanks everybody for tuning into this quick little unboxing. I'm definitely going to be using this. No case though. I'm surprised. There's no case. So I'm probably going to have to purchase a case before I get on the airplane. But how nice is that? I love the look of clean glass too. Yeah, is there I guess there is no screen protector on the front, but I'm assuming this is just like the Z Flip. There probably is a screen protector in here. It's built in. Which my Flip does no longer have because it started getting bubbles in it, and I just took the screen protector off, so now it's just no screen protector, which doesn't matter. It works just fine without it. The screen is, it's a pretty good screen. Don't have to worry about the protection too much. Anyway, like I said, quick video, quick unboxing. I'll give my thoughts and impressions after I use it. And this here looks like the black version. It's black. It's a pretty black, and it's satin. It's not glossy, which is nice. Maybe it'll help repel fingerprints a little bit. Nice 3-camera setup there. I just have to play with it. Just gonna have to play with it. Until the next time, I will see you guys in the YouTube universe, wherever, from down the road, and quite possibly from a pretty incredible place this coming Friday. Not the Philippines. I'm not leaving until Friday evening, but during the daytime Friday, I have something special that you guys are going to want to check out, I think. Not that you probably didn't want to check this stuff out, but there's a million videos of this. There's not a million videos of something I'm getting ready to do Friday afternoon. And I'm not going to spoil it here. So until the next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Why am I holding trash? Peace out, everybody.